Today, we're going to the dollar store to put together a basic kit with this list I've put together.
But before we get into it, like and subscribe for more reviews, how-tos, and videos like this from us every week. All right, let's get into it.
I used resources from the Red Cross, FEMA, and various emergency experts across the internet to get an idea of what I might need for my own emergency kit. And here's what they all had in common. Pack 72 hours worth of rations, 1 gallon of water per person per day, pack 3 meals per person per day, includes supplies for everyone in the family. That includes pets, older adults, kids, and infants. And don't forget medicine, first aid, and hygiene supplies. So with all of that information that I gathered, I made a list and went off to the dollar store with our producer, Brent.
Hey everybody, I am here at the Dollar Tree where I'm going to try and get everything on this list for my emergency preparedness kit. This one's the French scent. This one's the fresh scent. Get a double A pack. Gotta have both, just in case. We hit the jackpot. So this section has a lot of what I was looking for that I wasn't sure what you're gonna have. We've got 2-in-1 flashlight. I'm gonna go with this guy. It's duct tape. That's gonna come in handy. I like this color. It's kind of pretty. Very important in an emergency. Pliers. Tarp, that seems like something we'd probably need. Oh, we've got dust masks too. Man, we should have just come to this section first. They weren't kidding when they said everything's $1.25.
For $60, we got all of this stuff. Well, maybe not the bin, but everything inside was from the dollar store. Let's unpack it. $60.71, so not too bad for all of this stuff. I will recommend that if you are a little more picky about something like your food, if you have something like special dietary needs, you might have to spend a little bit more than just on SpaghettiOs or chicken soup, but there are plenty of resources out there that you can find that kind of stuff. So for all of this stuff, I'm planning for more of a shelter-in-place scenario. I'm gonna pack all of this into a heavy-duty tub and keep it at my house. Was there anything I missed? Let me know in the comments. We do have more information on Safewise if you wanna learn more about how to make your own emergency kit, how to plan for emergencies, and what to pack. Hopefully, this inspires you to take a trip to the dollar store of your own for some emergency planning.
If we left you with more questions, drop them in the comments below. We make Ask Safewise videos every week, and we would love to hear what's on your mind. Tag those comments with the hashtag AskSafewise, and we might feature your questions on a future episode. Thanks for watching and stay safe.